Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the world of beach bikini fashion, exploring the stunning choices made by some of the top models in the industry. Let's jump right in. First up, we have the ever stylish Chaurasia. Known for her boho chic vibe, she effortlessly combines earthy tones and flowy fabrics. Whether it's a crochet bikini or a fringed two-piece, she brings a laid-back yet glamorous touch to the beach. This model rocks athletic-inspired bikinis with sleek lines and bold colors. From high-cut bottoms to supportive tops, Nikita Tiwari proves that you can be both active and stylish while soaking up the sun. She takes us back with her vintage-inspired beachwear. High-waisted bottoms, polka dots, and retro sunglasses are her go-to choices. It's all about channeling that timeless Hollywood glamour on the sandy shores. For those who love a burst of color, look no further than Elena. Embracing tropical vibes, she flaunts vibrant prints, floral patterns, and bold hues that instantly transport you to a paradise getaway. She is all about celebrating the spirit of the beach. We have Anjali Kapoor, who proves that less is indeed more. With a penchant for minimalist elegance, she opts for sleek and simple designs. Neutral tones, clean lines, and sophisticated cuts define her beach bikini fashion. Our fashion journey continues with the eclectic bohemian flair of Anjali. Known for mixing patterns, textures, and accessories, she effortlessly combines boho elements with a touch of edginess. Fringe details, layered jewelry, and unique prints make her beach looks truly stand out. Utkarsha Rachri showcases her commitment to eco-friendly fashion. She opts for bikinis made from recycled materials, earthy tones, and simple yet elegant designs. She reminds us that being environmentally conscious can go hand in hand with looking fabulous at the beach. She brings couture to the shore. Luxurious fabrics, intricate details, and bold silhouettes make her beach bikini choices a true spectacle of glamour and sophistication. Lavina Israni, injecting an urban edge into beachwear, effortlessly combines street style with seaside vibes. Mesh accents, sporty cuts, and unexpected accessories define her unique approach. She proves that you can bring a touch of the city to the sand without sacrificing style. Her beach looks are a glimpse into the future of swimwear, pushing boundaries and turning heads. This vintage romantic embraces lace, ruffles, and delicate floral patterns. With a nod to years gone by, she transports us to a dreamy seaside escape where timeless elegance meets the gentle waves. For those who dare to be bold, Shweta Sharda takes the spotlight with her daring cutout bikinis. Whether it's strategic slashes, geometric shapes, or intricate lattice work, the model proves that a well-placed cutout can elevate your beach look, adding a contemporary edge to classic swimwear. Crisp stripes, anchor motifs, and maritime color palettes define her choices. The beauty effortlessly captures the essence of coastal living, bringing a timeless and playful charm to the sandy shores. For the free spirits and artistic souls, Anamika showcases her flair for creative expression. Hand-painted designs, tie-dye patterns, and unique embellishments make her beach looks true works of art. She encourages us to embrace individuality and make a splash with our personal style. The beauty opts for flowing fabrics, metallic accents, and statement accessories. Her beach looks are a harmonious blend of laid-back charm and red carpet glamour. Shweta Sharda brings a sense of wanderlust to her beachwear choices. Animal prints, tribal patterns, and vibrant colors dominate her collection. She encourages us to embrace our adventurous spirit and infuse a bit of the wild into our beach wardrobe. The beauty introduces us to the captivating realm of retrofuturism. Think metallic fabrics, futuristic silhouettes, and avant-garde accessories. The model is a vision of the future with a nod to the glamour of yesteryear, creating a truly unique and eye-catching beach ensemble. Proving that simplicity can be incredibly chic, the beauty masters the art of monochrome. Whether it's an all-white ensemble or a sleek black bikini, she shows us the power of a single color done right. Clean lines, minimalism, and sophistication are the hallmarks of her beach fashion. The beauty incorporates ethnic prints, traditional textiles, and global accessories into her looks. She encourages us to celebrate the richness of different cultures while making a stylish statement on the beach. The model introduces us to tech-infused trends in beachwear. LED accents, smart fabrics, and innovative designs define her futuristic approach. She proves that the beach is not just a place for sun and sand but also a runway for cutting-edge fashion. The beauty brings a sense of wanderlust and authenticity to her beach fashion. Flowing kaftans, tribal prints, and earthy tones dominate her collection. She encourages us to channel our inner nomad and embrace the beauty of cultural diversity in our beach attire. Jennifer introduces us to the world of resort wear. Luxurious fabrics, intricate embroidery, and flowing silhouettes define her beach wardrobe. She showcases that you can exude elegance and opulence even in the most laid-back beach settings. The beauty takes it a step further as a sustainable activist. From recycled materials to eco-friendly dyes, the model ensures that her beachwear choices make a positive impact. She encourages us to make conscious decisions without compromising style. The model proves that the beach can be a canvas for unconventional fashion expressions, merging the realms of technology and style. Entering a realm of botanical beauty, the beauty enchants us with her garden goddess-inspired beach fashion. Floral patterns, leafy motifs, and earthy tones dominate her wardrobe. She invites us to embrace the serenity of nature and bloom with elegance on the sandy shores. The beauty captivates with her sculptural silhouettes. Unconventional cuts, asymmetrical designs, and bold structural elements define her beachwear. She showcases that the beach can be a runway for architectural fashion, making a bold statement with each step. The beauty transports us with her escapist beach fashion. Sequins, iridescent fabrics, and ethereal accessories create an otherworldly aura. She invites us to dream beyond the horizon, bringing a touch of magic to our beachside escapades. The model brings a dynamic energy to the beach. High-performance materials, bold logos, and athletic-inspired cuts define her unique style. She proves that you can seamlessly transition from beach volleyball to a beachside soiree without compromising on fashion. The model pioneers the world of sustainable swim tech. Solar-powered accessories, self-cooling fabrics, and innovative materials define her eco-friendly approach. She showcases that the future of beach fashion is not just stylish but also environmentally conscious. The model embraces the spirit of galactic glam. Metallic finishes, holographic fabrics, and cosmic prints define her out-of-this-world beach fashion. She encourages us to explore the infinite possibilities of style, bringing a touch of the universe to the shoreline. Blending the free-spirited essence of boho with the nomadic allure, she takes us on a journey of cultural fusion. Tribal prints, fringe details, and layered accessories create a harmonious blend of bohemian and nomadic styles. The model invites us to embark on a global fashion adventure right at the beach. Dharsha Gupta redefines beach elegance with a touch of neo-Victorian charm. Ruffles, lace, and corset-inspired designs bring a sense of romanticism to her beachwear. The model proves that the beach can be a canvas for timeless and sophisticated fashion. The beauty enchants us with her elemental-inspired beach fashion. Earthy tones, flowing silhouettes, and natural textures embody the spirit of water, air, fire, and earth. She invites us to connect with nature through our fashion choices, creating a mesmerizing beach experience. The model emerges as a cybernetic sea siren. Metallic scales, holographic fabrics, and futuristic accessories create a mesmerizing aquatic aesthetic. Dharsha Gupta invites us to explore the depths of creativity, making a splash with her cybernetic-inspired beach looks. And there you have it, a roundup of beach bikini fashion choices from these incredible models. Which model's beach look resonated with you the most? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.